All right, so it's early in the year and we're just starting ourselves off with a small little deck here, just a tiny little deck. As you can see today, I'm taking some of the boards off and replacing some of the boards that are rotted. Still got that big board to do there, and went over to Home Depot to get some lumber. We'll be replacing all that and then doing a good scrape, because as you can see, some of it's peeled. After that, once it's all secure, we hit it with a chemical and with just a small deck sprayer with water, a little bit of bleach, and TSP, and that should kill the mildew or anything that's growing through. Once we do that, we hit it with a full power wash. Once we're done with the power wash, we let it dry for 2 days. 2 good sunny days should do it, and it should be all dried out. Then we hit it with a Sherwin-Williams product. It's a Woodscapes product. It's a solid stain called Woodscapes. I love this product because it's it's self-priming, right? And it's self-priming. You can go right over the bare wood and all the bare spots. 2 coats should look really good. Check it out and stick around. So obviously here, I'm just cutting some boards. Gotta make sure to replace any rotted wood. That's important, obviously. And just getting ready for paint. Once this is all done, I'll probably do another scrape to make sure all the loose paint is done, blow it off again, and then we're ready to paint.